Hello and welcome to BHS Africa Pod. My name is Julian or Jules, and I'll be your host on this podcast where we talk about the ocean, marine science, climate change, and more. For I dream of a world where our oceans are used sustainably and our climate is not ruined because of how we choose to live today. On today's episode, we shall look at about 10 things that you can do to get ahead in science communication in the marine sector. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. So, number one, you need to find your passion. Discover what aspect of marine science excites you the most, whether it's the vibrant marine ecosystems, the fascinating creatures and mammals, or the urgent need for conservation. Finding your passion will fuel your communication efforts. Sorry guys, there's some construction happening next door in case you hear like noises interrupting. Reason number two, or thing number two you can do, is know your audience. Understand whom you're speaking to. Is it a general audience? Is it students or fellow scientists? Consider their interests, knowledge level, and the best way to engage them effectively. Then you can move on from there. The third thing you can do is to use compelling stories. Human love stories, and they can be powerful as a tool for communicating marine science. So share captivating anecdotes about exciting scientific discoveries or conservation efforts or personal experiences that highlight the wonders of the marine world. The fourth thing that you can do is to embrace multimedia. Visuals are a key and captivating way of getting your audience's attention. Incorporate videos, images, infographics, and animations to illustrate your points and make your content visually appealing. Number 5, make it relatable. So connect marine science concepts to everyday experiences or real-life examples that your audience can easily grasp. Relating marine science to their lives and the world around them will help them to see its relevance and importance. Number 5, make it relatable. So connect marine science concepts to everyday experience. 6, communicate with enthusiasm. I hope I'm doing that. So show your genuine passion and excitement for marine science. Enthusiasm is contagious and will captivate your viewers or listeners, making them more interested in the subject matter. Number 7, use social media. You have YouTube, Instagram, Twitter. Leverage the power of social media platforms and use that to reach a wider audience. You can create a very engaging post, share captivating visuals, and interact with your viewers or listeners to foster a sense of community and to encourage dialogue. Number 8, collaborate with others. Partner with fellow scientists, educators, artists, or conservation organizations to bring fresh perspectives and create exciting projects. Collaborations will allow for a broader reach and can generate innovative content that resonates with your audience. Number 9, take part in science outreach programs, and there's so many. Engage with local schools, museums, community organizations, and participate in these outreach events. You can organize interactive workshops, give presentations, or even arrange field trips to spark curiosity and inspire the next generation of marine scientists. So number 10, be authentic and approachable. As much as you're doing all this, try to be yourself and let your passion shine through. Approach conversations with humility and respect. You don't know everything. And create a welcoming environment for your viewers or listeners. Encourage questions and provide clear explanations to foster understanding. So there you have it, guys, about 10 reasons on the things that you can do to get ahead in science communication in the marine sector. Thank you for watching and for engaging in any way. Please do subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media handles. I'll leave them in the description box below. And until the next time or the next video, it's ciao for now. Bye.